Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the gym event in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, you can go to the central island as always, and you can join the gym event right here. Basically, you just need to give your brain rot to this, I don't know how it's called, but you can equip your brain rot and give the brain rot to this machine. Okay, and there will be a requirement. For example, now I need to submit brain rot with 18 kilogram to 24 kilogram weight. Okay, and I'm going to go to my inventory and wait, let me search my brain rot. Okay, I'm going to give this brain rot to the machine. Okay, click on give. Okay, and you will get reward guys. After you complete 25 brain rot, you will get 3 main rewards, and I have already completed. So after we complete the quest or the mission, we can reset. Okay, I'm just going to reset. Okay, as you can see here guys, you need to submit 25 brain rots and you will get the this brain rot Chimbroni. I don't know how to read that. And then pick up pot and also this buff spinaclo seed. Okay. And yeah, this event is so easy, guys. And I like this event because it can reduce or decrease brain rots from our inventory. Okay, guys, and that's all about the gym event and Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!